Today my lecture is about aestivation of flower. So what aestivation is? It is mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud. A mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud with respect to other appendages of same bud. So what aestivation is? It is basically mode of arrangement of sepals or petals, sometimes perianth. Mode of arrangement of sepals or petals in floral bud with respect to one another or with respect to other appendages of same bud. So in a bud there are sepals, petals, androecium and gynoecium. But the arrangement of sepals or petals in that very flower bud is called aestivation. Okay, this aestivation has following types. This aestivation has following types. Okay, number one, velvet type of aestivation. Number two, twisted type of aestivation. Number three, imbricate type of aestivation. And the fourth one is vexillary type of aestivation. Okay, so aestivation has different types like velvet type of aestivation, twisted type of aestivation, imbricate type of aestivation, as well as vexillary type of aestivation. Now I am going to explain one by one. Now we take velvet type of aestivation. Velvet type. What velvet type of aestivation is? Velvet type of aestivation is that arrangement of sepals or petals or perianth wherein the sepals or petals did not overlap. They do not overlap one another, but the margin of these appendages touch with each other. Okay, so we can say here this is these are appendages and their margin just touches with each other but do not overlap. So in velvet type of aestivation, the floral appendages do not overlap with each other. That means we can say the floral appendages, which we call the sepals or petals, are not overlapping, one another. In valve type of aestivation, the sepals or petals are not overlapping one another. That means their margin only touch with each other. The margins can touch, but these margins do not overlap. Okay. For example, Calotropis procera. This is the example of valve type of aestivation. What valve type of aestivation is? The sepals or petals, or we can say the floral appendages, they are not overlapping one another. Their margin touches one another, but they are not overlapping one another. Okay, this is valve type of aestivation, and the example is Calotropis. Okay, now the next is twisted type of aestivation. Twisted, as we know, as the name indicates, twisted. In twisted type of aestivation, the floral appendages like sepals or petals, they are overlapping one another. Okay, the floral appendages like sepals or petals, they are overlapping one another. Like if this is one appendage, this second appendage, this third appendage, and this fourth appendage. See, they are overlapping. The margin of this sepal or petal goes inside this, and here it goes outside this. Okay, likewise this whole pattern, this is called twisted type of aestivation. Twisted type of aestivation is that aestivation in which floral appendages, margins of floral appendage like sepals or petals, they are twisting one another. They are overlapping one another. Like here, the floral appendage, it's overlapping one. These floral appendages are overlapping one another. So that type of aestivation in which floral appendages like sepals or petals overlap one another or overlap each other. Okay, the example is China rose. The example is China rose, ladyfinger, cotton, etc. These are the examples of twisted type of aestivation. So I hope you are understanding this twisted type of aestivation. This twisted type of aestivation is that aestivation in which floral appendages like sepals or petals, they are overlapping one another, as I have shown here in this diagram. Okay, this is twisted type of aestivation. Now the next one, is imbricate. This next type of aestivation. What imbricate type of aestivation is? It's that type of aestivation in which floral buds are overlapping one another. The floral buds like sepals or petals, they are overlapping one another, but not in a particular direction. The condition is here that it differentiates twisted aestivation with imbricate aestivation. The overlapping mode of overlapping of the floral buds differentiates twisted from imbricate. In imbricate type of aestivation, like this, imbricate type of aestivation, I am showing you. Okay, this imbricate type of aestivation is overlapping of sepals or petals. The sepals or petals are overlapping, but not in a particular direction, but not in a proper direction, but not in a proper arrangement. So, the arrangement of sepals or petals in imbricate type of aestivation, the arrangement of sepals or petals occurs. The arrangement of sepals and petals occur in different manner, like that of twisted type of aestivation. In imbricate type of aestivation, they are overlapping, but not in a particular direction. It may be this floral appendage may be, the margin may be here, and this may be here. Okay, but the condition is that in imbricate type of aestivation, one appendage, one flower, sepal or petal, it remains completely outside. Okay, one remains completely outside and one remains completely inside. Okay, in imbricate type of aestivation, it is that type of aestivation in which floral appendages overlap one another but not in a particular direction. But the condition is that one floral appendage remains completely outside and another floral appendage remains completely outside and inside. And these three appendages, they don't show any proper direction. So it is that type of aestivation in which floral appendage like sepals or petals overlap one another but not in proper direction or arrangement. For example, cassia fistula, gulmohar, etc. So in cassia fistula, gulmohar, this imbricate type of aestivation occurs. What imbricate type of aestivation? I have explained it. I have explained in detail what imbricate type of aestivation is. In imbricate type of aestivation, there is no proper arrangement or proper direction of overlapping of floral appendages in one another. And a condition in imbricate is that one appendage remains completely outside and the one appendage remains completely inside. Okay. Now the maxillary type of aestivation. Now maxillary aestivation. What maxillary aestivation? It's also known as papillonaceous aestivation or papillonaceous aestivation. Maxillary aestivation or papillonaceous aestivation. What this aestivation is, I am saying here. In this aestivation, there is large floral appendage. This is called standard, which covers two lateral appendages. This lateral appendage covers the another two small appendages. Okay, this is maxillary type of aestivation. In maxillary type of aestivation, one appendage, floral appendage, sepal or petal, one appendage, this largest appendage, it covers the lateral appendages. It covers the lateral appendages, which in turn covers the smaller appendages. This is waxillary type of aestivation, and it occurs in peas and beans. Okay, so waxillary type of aestivation is that aestivation. It is that type of aestivation in which largest appendage, it covers, largest appendage covers the lateral appendages, which in turn covers the small, the inner appendages. It's also called a keel. Okay, this is also called a keel. This is called a standard. Largest appendage is called a standard, and these are lateral appendages. The example is pea and beans. This is waxillary or papillonaceous type of aestivation. In this type of aestivation, here remains there are 5 petals. The largest one covers the 2, which are lateral appendages. These lateral appendages covers the smaller appendage. Okay, this is waxillary type of aestivation. Okay, this was my topic about aestivation and its types. I have explained aestivation. I have explained all the types one by one, like velvet, twisted, imbricate, and waxillary or papillonaceous type of aestivation. Today, this was all about aestivation. I hope you have understood it clearly. You can understand it. Okay? Allah Hafiz.